Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So this is our lesson number 155. Okay. And in which we are proceeding to now we are proceeding to the lesson number 156 rather, right? Okay. Our previous lesson was on yesterday. Now it is 156. You see, just copied it down and that's it. Why? Because I have written this formula and all the time I need a new increment, I just copy it. Okay. All I need to do is just change this to appropriately. We can also automate this as well, but there's for the time being no need for this. Okay, so 28 November, it is today. Today you will watch this event in which we are enhancing this form. And I'm explaining you the different coding techniques involved in development of such form. When you load, when you click a button in Excel here, and on the click event, it is mentioned load this form, the sale order entry form. So when it is loaded, so initialize form initialize event is triggered and it initializes this combo box, for example, gets all this salesperson name in it, right? And get this data from the sale order detail sheet, header sheet, in which whatever is the maximum number, it increments it with 1 and displays it in the title as well, 83. Okay, and it takes you as a default that current date. You can change it anyway, right? So at the moment, in the beginning, there is no customer, right? As soon as you select a customer, so this as soon as you select the salesperson, all the relevant customers are listed in it. You can select them, and then you can start entering the data, the line items, right? Yeah, you can write as many items as required in the order of the customer and enter the quantity it has requested you for. Okay, for example, here it wants 100 and it wants 150, yeah, and 20, for example, here. Okay, then you have to give some discount. For example, you want to give a $5 discount here. Okay, so $5 are deducted in it, and the total price is mentioned in here. So this is $9.95. This will become $8,295, and this will become $422. Yeah. So far so good. It is working. Now, in the middle, if you want to switch to edit mode of existing order, for example, you want to edit it, just enter. So it is going to bring you all the items which are there in this order and the name of the salesperson, and this all are populated and all the shares. And this is how. At the same time, if you want to make changes in the amounts of the existing order, right, which is already entered, and you want to give a $5 discount here, right? Yeah, So it is updated. And $5 discount here, it gets updated, right? So for your understanding of how this logic is done, we always take you to the debugger, to the VBA code, and there you need to use your skills, different skills like the techniques in which breaking the code, put a breakpoint in there so that the code execution stops at the desired point, right? For example, we want as soon we get into the edit mode, it should start. So the first thing we do is that we go to the Visual Basic editor, and then we go to the sale order. And in the sale order, what is our mission? We want as soon as a new an existing order, order editing is attempted. So what we do, we double click in here, because that is a change it. This is going to take you to the update event of this. So when before update is there. So we can stop, put a breakpoint as in at a sensible position. So where you want to see the edit mode functions, right? Okay, so we put a breakpoint in here. So let's see how does it work. So whether it stops or not. So we click here, it is right, and whatever you do in this new the breakpoint will not have any impact on it, because it is not going there. You are not making changes in here, right? You will say, I have put a breakpoint and it is not stopping, even if I am changing this. I am putting a new customer, I am putting a new table, I am writing into the, but the breakpoint is not working. Why? Because you have put the breakpoint in the edit mode. It will not happen until and unless you don't change here. If you update it with 42, for example, press enter. This time the breakpoint takes into the effect, and it takes you there. So because from where you want to see the changes happening. Okay, so it is now each command, which whatever it is doing, you can analyze it, what it is doing, right? It is doing all these things, right? First, as you know, it first of all populates the information, and it populates the information in the shipment, and it in the end it brings the line items, right? So it is populating this information. Okay, so you can keep on watching that. What is it doing? Press F8. If you F8, pressing F8 is a step. It takes you one step forward. F8. Press F8 again. It takes you one step forward. Okay. Now this is some initialization of means putting the data in the sale order date text. This is the sale order date. Tax is at the moment at 28 November, 28 November. So it is going to be changed with lookup of this 42, and it is going to bring it here. So let's put a breakpoint the next end and see and watch this changing, right? You click there. Yeah, it changed, right? Because this command has taken, has been executed. It has taken the effect, and this is how you do the debugging. You not only do the debugging. This process is called debugging, although you are not rectifying any bugs or, but you are examining each and every. Should there be any chance of improvement, you can do it right away and see the effect again. Right. So the next is the employee number. Is being get, and that employee number is going to be, we'll look up, and that will bring the salesperson, right? Salesperson tax, since it is already the right name is there, so you won't see any impact of this, because the salesperson that is, it will remain unchanged, because it is the for this order is already entered by this salesperson. Okay. Now ship wire is the shipping company, right? And that is, this is the shipping company, right? Okay, so this is the shipping company. Whatever the shipping company mentioned, that is going to be brought in here, right? So let's see what's happening, right? So we can press F8 here and keep watching the shipper, right? So press F8. So this is taking you, applying them, now applying the salesperson name updated. This is the ship wire. Ship wire is being updated, right? So this is now ship wire is company A, right? The next is the salesperson name, the customer representative name, right? So that is being looked up in the customer and the sale order, and that name is going to be brought in here. Okay. So we put a cursor here, and we run it. You will see that this is going to be updated. This is updated. Okay. Why? So on, you can continue entering this, and you can examine each and the effect of each and every statement, how it works, and what is the syntax, and you can make the changes in it and see how the changes are responding, how the process is responding to the changes you made. Okay, so this is how this is we do the development, and sometime you would like to clear all the breakpoints, whatever you have done, and execute it. Oh, this is executed, right? And so the next is we are going to bring the shipment cost. Yeah. For this, we need to put some control in it, which will take the shipment cost. That's the most proper, most suitable and appropriate places here, the shipment cost is. If you go and see in the sale order detail sheet, you will see that the unit price is done, is written here, right? And in the sale order header fees, yeah, you have this shipment. Yeah, this is the shipment fees. This is on the header level, right? Okay, so these are the shipment fees, um, which have also to be displayed in the our sale order form. So we will, for this, we will put a text. We will go to the the form document, right? And in the sheet tab, in the shipment tab, we will put a text box. Let's copy the text box. So let's do copy Control C and take these two things. Control C, and here we will do we will put this, and we will rename it, and this is we click inside it and we will type it, the shipment cost. Shipment fee. Okay, the shipment fee, you can size it appropriately, right? And here you will name it. Press F4 will take you the property window, and in this you are going to use the name of it. Right? Okay, so what is the name of this? We will rename it as SHP fee. Okay, so this is the name of the thing. So we will have it displayed in here. In our next video, we will show you how to do this. Thank you very much, and look forward to you joining us in our next video. Thank you.